Aloha my kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I truly apologize for taking so long to make another video. You know, it's funny because I play a weekly gig at a place called Noelani's in San Carlos, and one of our viewers came to my gig, Erica. Nice to see you and your family. And called me out on not having another video. Thank you for calling me out. Really excited to get back making more videos. Thankful for all the subscribers out there. Thank you so much. I know it means a lot to actually click on that subscribe button, but I really appreciate it. And don't be afraid to make a comment down below, you know, maybe a future song suggestion. Also, please be on the lookout for a new Facebook group that I created called Ukulele Heart, and be sure you spell the ukulele with the okina at the beginning. And it's just basically an extension of this channel. It's a place where you can go and post, you know, anything ukulele related. If you have a question, there are a lot of my pro musician friends that are on there as well who can answer questions for you. If you have any ukulele related questions, post them in there. Any progress videos, post them in there. And just have fun, you know, no restrictions really. There is one restriction, no politics, okay? And be respectful for everyone else. We're gonna go ahead and just dive right into this video. Beautiful song. Actually, I just learned this song, so I'm learning it with you. We're gonna try a new strum that we haven't tried yet on this channel, and it's a strum called the ōlapa strum, and I think you'll like it. It's a very syncopated kind of rhythmic strum, beautiful strum in Hawaiian music. So I'm really glad to show you this strum. Let's just go ahead and dive right in. Those of you who've been here before, you know that we cover music from the He Mele Aloha book, which is a book filled with tons of great Hawaiian songs, but it doesn't have any notation, and it doesn't have any of the you know, things like how to strum this song, or how does the melody go. So that's why I'm here, is to sort of break these songs down for you, and so you can just have fun playing ukulele. Let's just go ahead and dive right in. I'm gonna break down the strum first, and then we'll go ahead and go line by line in the song, okay? The strum is called ōlapa. The strum that I actually cover in an article that I wrote for Ukulele magazine, and it's basically up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you notice that the strum actually comes in, that downbeat's on the initial down strum, but there's sort of like a pickup beat right before that. So it actually starts on the upstroke, okay? Up, down, 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 up, down, up. Up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? One, two, three, four. Okay? Good job. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and dive right into the song. First verse. He aloha au ia oe, ʻāina o Moloka'I. Ho'okipa po'e malihini, meka pu'uwai ha mama. And I actually forgot to go over the chords. The chords are going to be C, G7, F. There's also a C7 in there. Okay, and then the vamp is just going to be D7. Hawaiian D7 looks like this. Middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret. And the ring finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, okay? Call it the Hawaiian D7, all right. Āina O Moloka'I, ho'okipa po'e malihini, meka pu'uwai ha mama. All right, good job. Okay, second verse. He aloha o waialau, he wahi meha meha no ia. He nani no ke ike aku, e uhi ana I ka ua noe. Okay, that last one's gonna be a little bit of a tongue twister. You kind of have to squeeze that in to make it work. All right, here we go. He aloha o waialau, he wahi meha meha no ia. He nani no ke ike aku, Good job. Third verse, kind of a tongue twister verse. Hano hano a'o haka'ano. Okay, don't forget that okina. Ke kani o ka'ilikai. He pu'eone oleia. All right. Mena pali ki e loa. Okay, another bit of a tongue twister there. Okay, here we go. Hano hano o haka'ano. Ke kani o ka'ilikai. He pu'eone oleia. Mena pali ki e loa. Good job. Almost to the finish line here. Okay. Ha'ina ke aloha pau ole. A'o kai nalu. Ke ala o kali poa. E moani nei. Ha'ina ke aloha pau ole. A'o kai nalu. Ke ala o kali poa. E moani. Good job. Okay, last verse. Ha'ina mai kapuana, nani o kaulau papa. Ho'okipa po e malihini, me ka pu'u vai ha mama. Ha'ina mai kapuana, nani o kaulau papa. Ho'okipa po e malihini, me ka pu'u vai ha mama. Alright, excellent job. And you made it to the very end. Now we're going to go ahead and go all the way through the song. Okay, no stopping. And we're going to speed it up just a tad. And we're going to see if we can get through the entire song. No stopping, okay? Oh, we didn't talk about how we're going to end it. So we're going to end it, just a vamp. Okay, one more time. Starting with this B flat shape, okay? So, index finger over the 1 and 2 strings, 1st fret. Middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, okay? And then we do the ring finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret, okay? So we're gonna start with that B flat, all downstrokes. We're gonna go up to a B, next one over, and then we're gonna end on the C, okay? And then sort of, you want to lift, if you haven't seen my muting technique video, I'll also link that up here. And it's basically you want to make sure you just mute those strings by lifting up while still keeping your fingers on the strings. Okay, here we go. Bam. Āina O Moloka'i, ho'okipa po e malihi, me ka pu'u vai ha mama. He aloha ua e lau, he wahi meha meha no ia, he nani no ke ike aku, hi ana I ka ka'ilikai, he pu'eone oleia, mena pali ki e loa. Ha'ina ke aloha paole, a'o kai nalu, ke ala o kali poa, e moani. O kalau papa, ho'okipa po e malihini, me ka pu'u vai ha mama. to the end. Thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me and for being so patient with these videos. I know I say this all the time, but I am truly going to try to knock these out a little more frequently. Don't feel discouraged if you're not getting the strum. Take your time, slow it down. Maybe learn the strumming pattern first and then the ʻōlala Hawaiʻi, and then fuse them together. Personally, I like learning the strum and the lyrics together. You know, everybody has their own learning process, and just stick with it and don't give up. If you do want to know more information about me, you can go to www.stevenespaniola.com. You can also go to my Instagram and Facebook. I do have a Steven Espaniola page on each of those social media platforms. And don't forget to join that new group that we formed, Ukulele Heart. And it's a safe space for any sort of ukulele questions. I hope to see you there. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ahui ho e malama pono.